Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to adjust buttons in Excel. Okay. Click any tab or right click mouse, select customize the ribbon and select all commands. Okay. We can see this tool all tabs. Select all tabs. Select tool tabs. Select main tabs. Okay. Background remove, home, insert, table, illustration, etc. Then I adjust this. I adjust this button developer. Then okay, and you can edit this 3D color and 3D effect. Then click here, edit this. Then group. I select data. Then group here, new group, and select 3D. Add. Then okay. You can select this, go to data tab, and we can find this, or we can see this 3D effect and remove this 3D effect. Again right click mouse, customize the ribbon, data, and find this 3D group, 3D, remove this, new group custom, remove this. Okay, then okay. Thanks for watching video.